Welcome to another episode of LiveTime with Jen. I am interviewing the young success of the current edition of IBA Success Magazine. I feel so privileged. You're so amazing. Tiberius, I was just told that you are the youngest radio host in the world.
Yes. Well, it's a radio talk show.
Radio talk show host. So you are in the current edition of IBA Success Magazine because you are young. How old are you? Only 8, and you're doing amazing things in business. Mm-hmm. So tell me a little bit about what you are doing in business with your talk show.
So what I'm doing in business with my talk show, really, I'm interviewing a lot of people right now.
Okay.
I think right now we are at our 70th show. I think you are our 70th show.
Okay.
I did interview you.
Yes. So if you are watching this, you're going to have to make sure that you follow Tiberius. I'm going to put all of his information in this video because he just interviewed me, which was so awesome. I've never been interviewed before by an 8-year-old. You asked me some pretty tough questions.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did, with a big math question too. So maybe I should have to pay you back and ask you a math question on my interview.
You can go ahead and do it.
Oh, look at that. I'm going to take the challenge. What is 12 times 12?
144.
Give me 5. That was easy. So I am here. Why?
I know all the square roots to 1 million.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not going to go any further because then you might put me on the spot and ask me another math question.
Well, the square root of 1 million is 1,000.
It's 1,000. There we go.
It's 1,000 times 1,000 equals 1 million.
So not only do you do amazing interviews and interview cool business owners, you're also a math whiz. Yes. What else do you do for fun?
So what I do for fun is playing video games.
Okay.
And I really play on Roblox a lot.
Okay.
So I play with my dad a lot. Playing video games is what I do.
What's your favorite video game?
That's a hard one to
Because you have a lot of them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I play a lot of video games. I would have to say Human Fall Flat on the Xbox.
Okay. So Tiberius is reaching for the world record. That's what your headline is in the current edition, IBA Success Magazine. Is this your first magazine?
Yes.
Oh, I am so lucky then to get to put you in the magazine for the first time.
Yes.
So he is on page 44. You know, one of the things that I really think is so cool in your in your article is when you talked about the heart of the lion.
Yes.
Could you tell me just a little bit about the heart of the lion?
Okay. So leadership is really leading other people to doing what's right.
Okay.
Integrity means when nobody's looking, you gotta do the right thing.
Oh, that is
even
so awesome.
when no teacher is there,
Mm-hmm.
nobody's there, you have to do it right on time.
Right. That's integrity.
That's integrity.
Okay.
And obedience means that even though that you don't want to obey, you have to obey your teachers. You have to obey your authorities that power over you. So you have to listen to them. And when you do, that's being obedient.
Okay.
So.
And then the N.
Yes. The N means nobility. And nobility really is like putting your it's really putting your feet into other people's shoes, which is called empathy. And when you do that for even a day, you even feel what it's like for them.
Mm-hmm.
Like what they're feeling in their life.
You know what? I want you to teach that to so many people. And that's one of the reasons that you were chosen to be our young success of IBA's Success Magazine, because you are amazing. You have a great foundation. I love what LION stands for you. I just want you all to go to the current edition of IBA Success Magazine, read Tiberius' story. He is on page 44. Again, he enjoys reporting, kind of like what I do,
Yes.
right? So I got interviewed today on his platform, and now I get to interview him on my platform, which is totally amazing. The Tiberius Boyd, Reaching for World Records. How long you been doing your show?
For a year and a half now.
Wow. So you're like an expert at this thing.
Yes, and I actually did get an application from the mayor
Really?
of Orlando.
Okay.
And it said that July 11th is the Tiberius Show Day for Orlando.
Oh my gosh. That is so incredible. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of LiveTime with Jen. I had the privilege of not only sharing the story of Tiberius, an amazing, smart, talented 8-year-old that is rocking the radio, and I want to make sure that you have the opportunity to get to know him as well and read his article. Where can they find you? Is there a Facebook, Instagram?
Yes,
tell us where they can find you.
So there's a Facebook and a website too. So the website is thetiberiusshow.com and the Facebook is The Tiberius Show.
Make sure you follow him, like him. This young success will be rocking and dominating in 2020. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come.